Hey guys, welcome to this next episode of the For Energy channel, and today I am going to be demonstrating magnetic amplification using magnets on a DC motor. And a lot of people is going to say, well, no, the magnets will slow down the motor, but it appears that the faster that the motor spins, the higher the frequency it creates, and it produces an oscillation effect, and it actually starts to assist the motor the faster it goes. And I'll demonstrate it by holding the trigger to the max, and then I'll hold the trigger down and I will put magnets on the motor as it's spinning at its max, and you tell me if you hear the motor start to spin faster. I will demonstrate the difference by flopping the magnets, swapping the polarities. Duh. Anyways, brain fart. Here we go. I'm going to take my magnets here. Let me get you guys all positioned. Okay, so here's my 20 volt 1 amp hour battery, my little trigger switch that I can push to the max, my magnets, little neodymium magnets, and this is just a piece of plastic stuck in here, so I don't think it's a battery or anything. I can assure you it's not. And and they're very strong magnets. So, and I used some thick phone wire so that way the amperage could get across to the motor with ease. So here we go. I'm gonna start to, so you guys know it's working. Oh man, let me get it secure first. Oop, just killed that mosquito. I'm getting fast at killing them now. Keep messing with me, you little suckers. Alright, so here we go. So you're hearing it? Alright, we're at the max. Here's my magnet. These are just 2 of them. So there's 2 magnets. Here's 2 more. If you can't hear me, I'll repeat it again. Here's 2 more magnets. Here we go. Now the polarity of the magnets do differ. See, watch when I flop it around. See, I flop the magnet around, and you hear it drop power. Alright, flop it back. The power amplifies. Now we got 2 more magnets. We're going to see what happens when we stack them. We're going to see if it makes the power unbalanced or not. And there you have it, guys. That right there is what you call magnetic amplification, free energy. Free energy, perpetual motion energy. And I can take it off. Mind you, I'm not letting up on the trigger. Watch my finger. Taking the other set of magnets off. Ugh, it's really stuck. Now, we take all the magnets, put them on there. I slowed the motor down, but if I turn the magnets around, you hear it speed up. I turn the polarity around. You hearing that? I just amplified the magnetic signal, the frequency. Take the magnet off, put it back on. There you have it, guys. Take it back off. Demonstrate how I put the other end on. Killing the power. Power goes back up. So that means it's not sucking out any more power through the magnets. Bam! Magnetic amplification, guys. Please share this video. Free energy exists. Peace out.